Hello world and welcome to another video. In this one we are going to learn about dictionary. So let's go here for underscore. I'll just write dictionary.py, enter. So dictionary are similar to the sets. So it will also have brace brackets like we have seen in the sets video. But the syntax is a bit different. So let me just write dictionary1 and assign some values over here. So it will have a key. So let's say it has key 1. And it will have a corresponding value to it called as value 1. So similarly we can have something called as key 2 and value 2 and so on. And it is so these key and value, they will have a colon in the between, so that this value belongs to only this key and this value belongs to only this key, and they will be separated using a comma. Okay, just to make sure, I'll just take an example which is a good one so that you understand better. So let's take a variable marvel and let's store some values. Oops, so curly braces, and let me just say Tony. So what is Tony, or who's Tony in marvel? Okay, if you said Iron Man, correct. Let's say, okay, guess this one, Steve. Steve Rogers is Captain Brazil, right? No, America. Okay, next. Okay, I'll just give next kya le? Bruce. So Bruce Banner, I think so, is Hulk. Thor is Thor. So this, let's take another Natasha. So Natasha, Black Widow. Oops. Okay, so I'll just do print Marvel. Let's save this and run. I have to write Python over here. So it says okay, Tony and all this thing, everything is great. Let's print it type. Print type of Marvel. So it says it belongs to the class dictionary. Okay, in some other languages I think so there is switch case, and in Python there is no switch case. So I believe this is one of the substitutes for switch case. Anyways, now let's say I want Iron Man. I want to extract this value. So how can I index this? So it is unlike set, or it is similar to set. I cannot index it using 0, 1, 2 and 3. But I can index it, or I can take the value of Iron Man using this key over here. So if I want this value, I can just have this key. Just to give you an analogy, if you want to find meaning of a word, you won't start searching by the meaning, right? You will search for the word in the dictionary and then you will get the meaning. So in this case, the word is the key. The word is the key and the meaning is the value which you are looking for. I believe you understand this. Okay, so let's say I want Iron Man. So what I will do is I will just write print Marvel, and I can index it by saying I want Tony. So the key I am passing over here is Tony, and I'm indexing it using keys so that I can get this value. Okay, let's save this and run. So I get Iron Man over here because I am indexing it out based on key. So let's do it one more time. Print Marvel, and let's index it using, let's say, Natasha. And if I run this now, so I get Black Widow. Excellent. Now let's say I did this print Marvel and I gave in the index as Thor. So Thor is not present in our dictionary. Let's say we do this, and so it will say key error that Thor is not present. Okay, now just remove this. Now what we'll do is, what if I take this value from the user? So it's like a word and the meaning. So let's say I have name as a variable and I'll say input from the user, enter name to know the superhero. Okay, and what I will do is print Marvel and index it out using, so initially we were going like we were giving it as Tony, Natasha, Steve and Bruce, but now I will take the input from the user. So I can just write name over here, save this, and now we'll run this. So it says enter name to know the superhero or to know the superhero name. So let's say I give Bruce. So what will happen? It will take Bruce, it will add Bruce over here, and it will give the value from the dictionary. Okay, so it gives back Hulk to me. I believe you're understanding this. In the next one, what we'll see is we'll see some methods what are present in the dictionary. So like, share and subscribe to the channel, and thank you and stay tuned.